Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to set up OBS Studio to capture two screens at once. This method is perfect if you want to multitask, create tutorials, or stream gameplay across multiple monitors. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. In the Sources panel at the bottom, click the plus button and select Display Capture. Give it a name, then click OK to confirm. Then in the window that appears, choose the monitor you want to capture from the drop-down menu. If your main screen isn't selected by default, just pick it here. Once it looks good, click OK. Then now it's time to add the second screen. Repeat the process by clicking the plus button in the Sources panel again, select Display Capture, and this time name it something like Second Monitor. Then in the Settings window for this second display, choose your secondary monitor from the drop-down menu, then click OK to save the changes. Now both screens are now added, but you might need to adjust how they fit inside your OBS canvas. To do this, go to Settings, open the Video tab, and set the base canvas resolution to a size that can fit both monitors side by side. You can also adjust the output resolution so your recording or stream matches the quality you need. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more OBS tips and tricks.